What's good, family? It's your boy Trav Coop from Generational Wealth Vibes, and I'm hoping everybody is having a blessed day today. Man, this is my third video here, and as promised, I'm gonna bring all the plays and let the cat out the bag. So here we go. On this play that I ran, we need to use Facebook Marketplace. You can use Craigslist. You can use OfferUp. Most of the time on these platforms, these people are looking to get rid of stuff. They're not necessarily looking to actually resell it for the full value. Most of the time, they are looking to make a quick buck. Maybe they fell on hard times or whatever like that. So make sure that you get on these platforms, and whatever they're asking for, we only want to offer around 50%. Now, before you do that, we need to go on the platforms, like whether you can sell it on Amazon, eBay, or you probably can resell it on the same platform. I wouldn't advise that you do that, because sometimes the people get upset when they see that same thing they sold to you at a discounted price and all you did was relist it. So we don't want to really cause any static, which is nothing. And it's not unethical to do that, because once you purchase it, it's yours, but we just don't want any static. So let's resell them, in my opinion, on another platform. So let's say, for example, we want to look at a list of everything that they have on OfferUp. So anything that you see, we need to be making a lot of offers. Now, while you're making those offers, we need to look over at eBay or Amazon to see if it makes sense. So say, for example, if somebody was selling an iPhone, all right, whatever version of it, let's just say they had the iPhone for $100, okay? They're on the OfferUp site or Facebook Marketplace. They have it for $100. Now, you know that you can go over here on eBay and sell that phone for $100, right? So they offering $100 here, or they have it priced for $100 here, and you can sell it on eBay for $100. Okay. Nobody is actually buying this phone from them for $100. So what you will go in, and they probably going to say no, but that's okay. We're going to get some yeses if we put out enough offers. Now we want to offer $50 for that phone, okay? Let's just say let's just pretend that this is after like 100 people. Let's just say that they say, hey, I'm on hard times, I just really need the cash. So of course you're gonna check the phone to make sure everything is working correctly and it's not locked, so you won't get scammed. Boom, they sell the phone for $50. All you do is list the phone on Amazon and eBay, sell it for that $100, and collect the difference. And I've done this many a times, guys. You can get video game consoles, you can get the actual video games, anything, guys. All you have to do is, you can do it with shoes. Guys, most of the time these people are willing to take a deal where it's still enough room for you to profit. All you have to do is make offers. You're probably gonna close only 3% of those offers. So we need to be out there making 100 offers. The more offers you make, the more items you can collect, the more money you can make. So again, you only need to offer about 50%, and most of them, some of the times they might cuss you out. So I hope you got thick skin, because sometimes they're gonna say, what, man, I ain't selling my stuff for this, that, and the other. But don't worry about it, because we got a game plan, and if they say no, that just means we're getting one step closer to that yes, to find our item, to flip it on another platform. So again, I promise you that I wasn't gonna keep you. I had to give another play, and then hey, we'll see you next time with another play. I'm letting them all out. Let's go. Y'all get it.